Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In my previous video, I discussed about data security and why it is important. Also, I discuss about some basic fundamentals of data security and some basic practices in order to safeguard our data from any kind of attacks or potential threats. Today, I want to discuss more about this data security, and I want to go more deeper to the world of data security because data security is very crucial for any small sector or large sector or for any individual. So I want to highlight few things. Just an just imagine, or just an example, you have some amount of data, like you have 1 GB of data or TB of data or the petabytes of data, or you have large amount of data stored in your database, or you have stored in very big platform like data warehouse. So it is crucial to protect those data, the data you have, or the data stored in your database or any other platform the organization or an individual have stored the data. So, I am going to discuss more about data security today. And first of all, I want to say, like, this data security is a multi layered approach. Just an example, most of the major platform like healthcare sector or the e-commerce platform or the financial firms, they are processing large amount of data. They are transmitting large amount of data over the internet. They are holding huge amount of data in a database, so it is very crucial for them to safeguard those data from any kind of potential threats. When we say data security is multi-layered approach, so what comes under it? Basically there are three important thing comes under it. First thing is physical security. Second important thing is network security. Third important thing is data backup and recovery. So I want to give more insight on these three important concepts one by one. So let's start with the physical security. Like just an example, you have you have a data in any devices, or you have stored data in any physical server, physical location. So it is very important to secure those data or the physical devices or the servers from any kind of unauthorized access or any kind of damage also, or any kind of data theft. So it is very important to protect those devices or protect those servers from any kind of attacks. Now second important thing is network security. You can see like major platforms like e-commerce, healthcare, or any financial, most of the data are processing online over the internet. Data ingestion, data migration from on-premise to the cloud. So there is a chances of data leakage or loss or any kind of intrusion attacks. So it is very important to protect our networks. We need to encrypt our network protocols. We need to follow some network encryption protocols. And another important thing comes under the network security, that is most of the vulnerabilities comes from the unpatched software or outdated software, you can say. So it is very important to patch your server or the software you are using on regular basis, so that most of the vulnerabilities can be minimized. So network security is very important in order to protect the data you are holding or the data kept in any database or any data warehouse. Third concept is data backup and recovery. So why data backup and recovery is crucial for any organization or for any small business as well. Anything can occur at any time. A disaster can occur, any kind of server failure or the database failure or any kinds of attack can happen. There is a chances of data loss, there is a chances of data leakage. So in order to minimize those risks and protect those devices, protect those data, we need to back up our data on regular basis. So in case of any failure, we can recover those data easily. We can utilize the second copy, and without any service disruption, we can minimize those risks. So that's all for today. I have discussed more important regarding the data security. That's all for today, and I want to end the session now. And once again, I want to thanks everyone for joining this session. If you think the session is interactive and informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe too, so that I can come with more interesting topics regarding the security or the cloud security. Please remember, data privacy and security matters. Until next time, till then, take care.